Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So in this video, I will talk about procedural text and analyze one example of them. We will analyze the generic structure and the language feature that used in the procedural text. So before we analyze that, first I will tell you a little bit understanding of the procedural text. So procedural text is a kind of text which describe how something is accomplished or through a sequence of action or steps. So in the procedural text, the author will tell us how something is made uh, in the form of step by step. And the purpose of the procedure text is to tell the readers how to do something, to make something, or to operate something. And next is generic structure. The first generic structure of procedural text is goal. If you read a procedure text carefully, you will find the goal in the title of the text. So, for example, if the text title is how to make banana smoothie, so the goal is to make banana smoothie. And if the title is how to operate a computer, so the goal is to operate a computer. And the second generic structure is ingredients. In this part, we can write the ingredients, tools, and materials we need to make or to do something. And the last generic structure is steps. So to reach the goal, we must describe a series of steps of how the goal is gonna happen. And then we're discussing about the language features. So procedure texts have 5 language features. The first is using simple present tense, and the second is using imperative sentence. For example, mix the dough, boil some water, cut into slices, and more. And the third is using connective of sequence. For example, then, while, next, and more. And fourth is using numbering, like first, second, third, and the fifth is using adverb. It's like slowly, carefully, thoroughly, and so on. So we came to the example of the procedure text. The title is how to use a printer. So the first thing we're gonna analyze in this text is a generic structure. Based on what I explained before, the first generic structure of the procedure text is a goal. And I marked the sentence that we will find the goal in the title. So the title here is how to use a printer. So our goal in this text is to use a printer. And then the next generic structure is ingredients, because ingredients can be materials or tools, because it is a procedural text that explain how we use something, not how we make something. So we're gonna use a tool. So the tool here is printer machine. And then the last generic structure is the steps. It's here. The first step, second step, third step, and fourth step. So the step here is the generic structure steps of the procedure text. And next, we're gonna analyze the language features. So the first language feature we're gonna analyze is simple present tense. So here it is. The example of present tense of this text is it works pretty much. The words here is a simple present tense verb. And the second is using imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that tell the reader to do something. So in here, the imperative sentence is the red colored one. It is make sure that your printer is hooked up and then go up to File, click on OK, open up a doc, go up to File and Print Setup, check and make sure the right printer is installed. So the sentence is tell the reader of what they should do. And then the next language feature is using connective sequence. It is like then, while, or next. In this example, the connective sentence is just one. It is here. Wait, I lost it. Here. All you have to do is go up to File, then down to the Page step. The word then is express the using connective of sequence. And the fourth is using numbering. The numbering can be number or the word first, second, third, and more. And in this, in my example of procedure text, the using numbering here is like this: step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. And then using action verb. Action verb is a verb that we do with our body. So here is. Oh, I mean, using adverb. Using adverb in this example of mine is like this: extremely, properly, and then I think it is just 2 of the words. So we came to the end of the video. I'm sorry if there are any mistaken. I hope you guys understand of what I'm saying. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.